दिल्लीचो मुखेलमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल हांका भारताच्या संविधानाचो आदर करपाक येना। तो स्वता संविधानाच्या आड वावुरता। तो गोंयकारांक आनी कसली बुद्ध दितलो असो आरोप काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे ट्राजानो डिमेलो हांणी केला। आप आनी भाजपा पक्ष हे दोनूय फटींग पक्ष आसा असोय आरोप तांणी मुखार केला। आम आदमी हो भाजपा पक्षाचोच भाग आसा, तांचेर गोंयकारांनी विश्वास दवरचो न्हय अशेंय तांणी मुखार म्हळां। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Goa is a host to one of the visitors over here, the Delhi Chief Minister for the last 2 days, who is doing nothing but cheap tricks which those street side jokers do. You know, they come with those monkeys and they start ringing the drumming, then people gather together. Those theatrics he is doing. Nothing beyond that. This is a man who has been involved in anarchism in Delhi, doing everything against the Constitution of India. There is a sacred constitution on which this joker has taken oath that he will uphold the Constitution. And then he starts having cabinet meetings on the road. So such a joker is now coming to do his tricks here. He knows that Delhiites tomorrow, if they have an election, this fellow is going not to 3, back to 0. Now a man who does not know to respect the Constitution, I am not talking anything of our own. It is open. He is trying to supersede the governor. Now Delhi has got a special, though a union territory, has got a special status because all the top dignitaries who are representing top nations are there. And therefore it is the duty of the central government to take care of all that. The joker will not be able to take care. He will call them on the road to have meeting with them. There is some ethics. The jokergiri will not work, at least in Goa. Question arises here, he is not an uneducated man. He belongs to Indian Revenue Service. He did not know the status of Delhi before contesting the election. Did he not know that all these years it was the governor finally who had the last say? Many chief ministers have worked under those governors, different governors. Now, you suddenly make tamashas because you can't deliver